Hi, in this program we are seeing the use of the keyword virtual. Virtual is a keyword that's especially used to modify the elements outside its base class because it can be related in the normal classes. See, here we have taken an example of inheritance from a normal class type, just copying the base classes elements to get it out in the related derived classes. Here we can copy the elements, base classes, elements, the functions to the derived classes so that we can use them in, and for easier purpose of less coding and less lines. This is a normal program for inheritance. We are just clicking off the function area and the function display. That's gonna display the result. We're taking class from the public shape that is deriving from the base class circle. Its elements are passed here, the functions are here. So we're using the related formula for circle, that is 3.14 into radius. The same we have done both rectangle and trapezoid. We have length into breadth for rectangle, and trapezoid we have length plus breadth divided by 2 into height. These are the formulas, the regular formulas in the mathematics field. Here the user gets to enter the data for each elements, each shape, so that we get to check out each area. But in this particular program we are seeing the copy of elements, the functions from the base class. We use the use of virtual because we are in the main function we are using the pointer variable to relate to elements up there in the base class and the subclasses. So because of the subclasses pointer variable we are using virtual keyword, because if we don't use the virtual keyword for the pointer, it will just take in the values from the base class, because base class we have not defined anything for the circle, rectangle or trapezoid. Just because we have already defined a virtual keyword before the function, we get to use the pointer, so that pointer can be related to the circle, the rectangle and the trapezoid as the area, so it gets directly access to the display and the functions of display and area. Thus the calling is done in the main function, so all the elements can be called because in each shapes. That's how it works. Let's see. Running the program, enter the shape for circle. 5 as the radius, it gives me the area. Now rectangle 2 and 4, 8, 2 4s are 8 obviously. Then the length, breadth and height, 2, 4, 10, 30. So this is how it is. Just a normal program, but here we are just using the pointer variable to access the three shapes in the different function, the different classes, because we have separate functions for each shape. Yeah. The next program we are saying is about adding a file and creating a file. So for an example, we have taken vowels and consonant here. So at first I've created a text file with abcd till z. So I taken the address of that particular text file here, so as an if stream in file. Next I'm defining with a while statement, if else, that these a, e, I, o, u are the vowels. So these I, o, u vowels can be shown in uppercase, that is the block letters, to differentiate from their lowercase letters. So it tells the difference between the vowels and the consonant characters. That's how we call the old elements the functions. So what happens after that, we are using ostream, that is the output. The vowel file is created for the uppercase, then the consonant file for the lowercase is created in separate egg. Let me show you. Getting out a text file which I have created, these with the abcd on there. So the vowel for the uppercase a, e, I, o, u, which we have separated and told what the characters are. So the rest of it, that is the else statement, will give you all the rest of the characters here. That's how this program works. Thank you.